Should I smile?
Yeah. Ready?
He's videoing her. Smile.
Make a funny face.
What?
Eat some ice cream.
Is this a video?
No, we're gonna.
Yeah, second one.
You got a booger.
What?
You got a booger.
Oh.
Look that way again. God, looks like Wes's nose.
Oh, you know we can't put that anywhere. Good job. Oh, you're talking about Wes from Rockingham? Wait, I'm on video.
No,
so
from Liberty.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get your booger. You've got a booger.
Where?
The other one.
Dude, what's that? Thank you.
It's still there.
So,
Why don't you come up with your glasses crooked?
Did I get my booger?
yeah, it's still there.
I want it to come off.
Alright, let's go.
Come here, Mom.